Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send DMs on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let me open X on my phone, and in the bottom right corner of my screen I have to tap this letter icon. This is basically your messages section. You have to tap new message button or this button in the bottom right corner with a plus sign and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that appears, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So in this text box you have to type your message, and finally when you are ready, hit send button. This is this paper plane icon to basically send your message. So that's how you can send DMs on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.